So when I went home for spring break thinking I was gonna come back. And when I found out I had to stay at home and do my onlining at home, the first thing I said to my mom was, how am I supposed to train horses online? Miss Corey set up videos that we got to watch of like online clinics. In a group chat, we would all say 3 things we learned from that clinic. And that right there, watching, again, is something that can really help you become a better rider.
I was hired as a temp service to basically do chores in the barn. I worked at the Western barn and I also helped Karen in the standardbred barn. So basically feed muck stalls. We went home for lunch, came back, fed. That was it. Basically stable management stuff, keeping our guys clean and healthy. And then focusing on school, because that was our professor's #1 priority, is that we kept our grades up, and that we did with the help of our professors.